हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो चलिए आज मैं स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ आपके साथ डिस्कस कर रही हूँ 25 फरवरी 2022 का जो भी लेटेस्ट करंट अफेयर है। ठीक है, आप लोगों ने मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। ओके, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो हमारा फास्ट न्यूज़ यही है कि HUL नेम्ड नितिन फरांजपी आज नॉन एग्जीक्यूटिव चेयरमैन। ओके, HUL का मतलब क्या है ना, हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर लिमिटेड। ओके, has announced the separation of position of chairman of board and CEO and managing director of company. Okay, and Nitin has appointed as non-executive chairman of this company with effect from March 31, 2022 से. Okay, and he is also currently serving as Chief Operating Officer of Unilever, the parent company of HUL. Okay, and Sanjeev Mehta will continue to be the Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director, CEO and MD of this company. Okay, Sanjeev Mehta. So, Hindustan Unilever Limited, headquarter in Mumbai. ठीक है, तो एंड फाउंडेड इन 17 अक्टूबर 1933. ओके, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट HUL. ओके, हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर लिमिटेड. ओके, तो चलिए नेक्स्ट. US बोइंग डिलीवर्स 12th P-8I मैरीटाइम पेट्रोल एयरक्राफ्ट टू इंडिया. So Indian Navy has received 12th anti-submarine warfare aircraft P-8I from the US-based aerospace company. Okay, so this is the fourth of 4 additional aircraft for which the contract was signed in 2016, and Ministry of Defence has signed a contract for 8 P-81I aircraft in 2009. Okay, and P-8I, this is the aircraft, is equipped for long range anti-submarine warfare. Okay, long range anti-submarine warfare and anti-surface warfare, intelligence, surveillance in support of the board area maritime. Okay, so Chief of Naval Staff. So who is the Chief of Naval Staff? So Admiral R. Hari Kumar. Admiral R. Hari Kumar. Okay, he is the Chief of Naval Staff and founded in 26 January 1950. ठीक, तो चलिए नेक्स्ट इज इंडिया रिसीव्स 3 more राफेल फाइटर जेट फ्रॉम फ्रांस. So 3 more Rafale fighter aircraft landed in India from France. Okay, India specify enhancement. So new arrival of 3 jet. The total Rafale fleet with Indian Air Force has reached 35. Okay, and the 36th and final aircraft will arrive in India from France by March to April 2022. Okay, and in September 2016, India exchanged a 59,000 crore deal, okay, with France for 36 Rafale fighter jet. Okay, 59,000 crore deal with France for 36 Rafale fighter jet. Okay, in 2016. 2016. So India and France signed a inter-government agreement in 2016. India and France. Okay, under which Paris agreed to provide 36 Rafale fighter jet to New Delhi. Paris. Okay, Paris to New Delhi. राइट सो हो गया. तो नेक्स्ट चलिए, ये हो गया हमारा क्या, आर्मी चीफ MM नरविन प्रेजेंट्स प्रेसिडेंट कॉलर्स टू 4 parachute battalion. So Chief of Army Staff General MM Narayan, okay, has presented presidential color to 4 parachute battalion at Parachute Regiment Training Center in Bangalore. Okay, so the 4 battalion are the 11 para, that is the special forces, 21 para, 23 para and 29 para battalion. Okay, the award of President Color or Nissan is one of the highest honor bestowed upon a military unity in recognition of exceptional service to the nation both during the war and in peace. Okay, तो चलिए next is Moody's revised India's growth estimate to 9.5% in CY 2022. So Moody has revised India's economic growth estimate in the current year 2022 upward to 9.5% from 7%. Okay, on stronger than except recovery after a lockdown in 2020 and COVID-19's Delta wave in 2021. Okay, and it maintained a forecast for 5.5% growth in CY 2023. Right, so chaliye next is IBM unveiled new cyber security hub in Bangalore to address cyber attack. IBM, that is your International Business Machine Corp, okay, has launched a cyber security hub in Bangalore to address the concern of its client across the Asia Pacific region. Okay, so the new cyber security hub is one of the only two such center of IBM globally. Okay, the other located in the US. Okay, so it is the first of its kind facility in the region. IBM Global Analysis Report for 2022 states that Asia emerged as the topmost target region for cyber attack. Asia, it represents 26% of attacks analyzed in 2021. Okay, so चलिए IBM का CEO कौन है? CEO Chief Executive Officer Arvind Krishnan. Okay, and the headquarter in New York, United States. Okay, and the founder Charles, okay, and founded in 16 June 1911. Okay, 16 June 1911. Right, so next चलिए, India's NIUA and WEF to collaborate on Sustainable Cities Development Program. Okay, WEF, that is the World Economic Forum and the National Institute of Urban Affairs have signed a memorandum of understanding to collaborate on a jointly designed Sustainable City India program. Okay, and this program is aimed to create an enabling environment for cities to generate decarbonization solution across the energy, transport and built environment sector. Okay, so this is NIUA, that is your National Institute of Urban Affairs, and a Memorandum of Understanding MOU, and WEF is World Economic Forum. Okay, so they are jointly signed, jointly designed Sustainable Cities India program. Okay. So next is Rakesh Sharma, again appointed as MD and CEO of IDBI Bank. So IDBI का मतलब क्या है ना, इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. Okay, has informed the stock exchange that its board has approved the reappointment of Rakesh Sharma, okay, as the managing director and chief executive officer of the bank. The period of 3 years, effective March 19, 2022. Okay, so Sharma, reappointed as the MD and CEO of the bank, has received the banking regulator Reserve Bank of India note. Okay, and he was previously the MD and CEO of Canara Bank. Okay, and retired from this position in July 2018 from Canara Bank. Okay, and he is served as the MD and CEO of Lakshmi Vilas Bank. Lakshmi Vilas Bank. Okay, from March 2014 to September 2015. March to September in Lakshmi Vilas Bank. Okay, so owner of IDBI Bank, Line Insurance Corporation. Okay, owner of IDBI Bank is Line Insurance Corporation. Okay, and the headquarter in Mumbai. Right. So next is Dish TV's ropes Rishabh Pant as its brand ambassador. Rishabh Pant, Dish TV India, okay, has announced the appointment of India cricketer Rishabh Pant as brand ambassador. Okay, so Pant will feature in the brand 360-degree communication for the next 2 years. So this investment in D2H brand is going to make it even stronger. Okay, so Rishabh Pant as a brand ambassador will enable deeper engagement of D2H with its TG. Okay, so chaliye next is Indian Navy multilateral exercise Milan 2022 kickoff. The latest edition of the Indian Navy's multilateral exercise, okay, Milan 2022, is commencing from 25 February 22 in city of Destiny, Visakhapatnam. Okay, Milan 22 is being conducted over a duration of 9 days in 2 phases, with the Harbour Fest scheduled from 25 to 28 February. Okay, and sea phase from 1 to 4 March. So India is celebrating the 75th year of its independence in 2022, and Milan 22 provide an opportunity to commemorate this milestone with our friends and partners. Okay, so Milan 2022 is commencing from 25 February, okay, in city of Destiny in Visakhapatnam. Okay, and it conducted over a duration of 9 days in 2 phases. Okay, that is scheduled from 25 to 28 February and sea phase from 1 to 4 March. Okay, so total 9 days. So India is celebrating 75th year of its independence in 2022. Okay, so chaliye next is SPMCIL Delhi headquarters declare a prohibited place. So Home Ministry has declared Delhi headquarters of security SPMC MCIL, that is your Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited, okay, as a prohibited place under section 2 of the Official Secrets Act 1923. Okay, so this prevents the entry of unauthorized person into it. Okay, and that printed a new series of notes of denomination, that is rate 2000 and 500 in 2016. The next is Giriraj Singh launches Ombudsperson app for Mahatma Gandhi NREGA. Okay, so Giriraj Singh, who is the Union Minister for Rural Development and Panchayat Raj, okay, has launched this app for Mahatma Gandhi Narega. Okay, so Ministry of Rural Development has developed a Ombudsperson app for smooth reporting and categorizing of grievance by, okay, based on complaint he received from various sources, that is your physical, digital and mass media related to in completion of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, Mahatma Gandhi scheme in state or UTS. Next is Vande Bharatam signature tuned, released by Minister of State for Culture, that is your Ministry of State for Culture and External Affairs, that is your Meenakshi Lekhi, okay, has released a signature tune for Vande Bharatam. This tune is composed by Grammy Award winner Ricky Cage and Oscar contender Vikram Ghosh. Okay, and it was produced for Vande Bharatam Nritya Utsav of Ministry of Culture, presented at Rajpath, New Delhi for Republic Day event 2022. Okay, so this Vande Bharatam signature is released by Meenakshi Lekhi. Okay, and it is composed by Grammy Award winner Ricky Cage and Oscar contender Vikram Ghosh. Okay, and produced for Vande Bharatam Nritya Utsav for Ministry of Culture at Rajpath, New Delhi. Okay, and actually Kishan Reddy inaugurate a conference on Indian temple architecture Divyatanam. Okay, Divayatanam. So, Archaeological Survey of India of Ministry of Culture, Government of India is organizing a 2-day international conference, Devayatanam, and Odes of Indian temple architecture on 25th to 26th February 2022 at Hampi, Karnataka. So the Union Minister for Culture, Tourism and Donor G. Krishna Reddy inaugurated the conference. ठीक है, तो चलिए नेक्स्ट. RBI asked NBFCs to implement core financial service solution by September 30, 2025. That is, the Reserve Bank of India recently directed to all non-banking financial companies. Okay, NBFCs, that is your non-banking financial companies. Okay, in the middle and upper layer with 10 or more fixed point service delivery units as of October 1, 2022. Most implement core financial service solution by September 30, 2025. Okay, similar to the core banking solution used by banks. Okay, the next is COR issued to PC Financial Service आज cancelled by RBI. On 24th of February 2022, Reserve Bank of India announced that it had cancelled the certificate of registration which was issued to PC Financial that issue an app called Cashbean, okay, to carry out the lending operation. So this is the first time a regulatory action has been taken against an organization in response to a surge in complaint about multiple digital lender. Okay. So that is all about Reserve Bank announced cancel the certificate of registration which was issued to PC Financial. Okay, so that uses an app called Cashbean. Okay, the next tell PM Kishan third anniversary transferred rate 8.500 lakh, sorry 1.80 lakh to farmers account directly. So about 11.78 crore farmers as of February 22, 2022 have been benefited under the PM Kisan scheme. So amount of 1.82 lakh crore have been distributed to eligible beneficiary across India in various interval. So during COVID-19, 1.29 lakh crore has been released. Okay, अच्छी बात है. तो चलिए नेक्स्ट, ए बुक टाइटल द ग्रेट टेक गेम पेन बाय अनिरुद्ध सूरी. This is a book, Great Tech Game, okay, by Anirudh Suri. Okay, that is just shaping geopolitics and destinies of nation. So it has been published by HarperCollins India. Okay, and the author lays out a roadmap for how any country must develop its own strategy plan to succeed in the technology dominant era. Okay, so the book name is The Great Tech Game by Anirudh Suri. Okay, so आज के लिए इतना हो गया है. तो आप लोग ने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया अभी तक तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. ओके, एंड मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक एंड शेयर कर लीजिए. थैंक यू सो मच. एंड आप ओके, तो चलिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर.